Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank is truly independent or if it's just a subsidiary of a larger financial institution? Today, we're diving into that very question. Is Tangerine Bank owned by Scotiabank? Imagine you're opening a new bank account. You want a bank that's reliable, offers great rates, and prioritizes customer satisfaction. Tangerine Bank often comes up as a top choice. But what if I told you that behind the scenes, there's a much bigger financial institution pulling the strings? Would that change your perception? Tangerine Bank, known for its online-only approach and innovative products, has garnered a significant following. Its reputation for being customer-centric and offering competitive rates has made it a popular choice for many. However, the question of its ownership has been a topic of discussion for quite some time. Scotiabank, on the other hand, is a well-established Canadian multinational bank with a global presence. It's known for its diverse range of financial services, from personal and commercial banking to wealth management and capital markets. The relationship. So, what's the connection between Tangerine Bank and Scotiabank? The truth is, Tangerine Bank was indeed acquired by Scotiabank in 2013. However, even after the acquisition, Tangerine has maintained its distinct brand identity and operations. It's important to note that Scotiabank didn't simply swallow up Tangerine and force it to conform to its corporate culture. Instead, Scotiabank has allowed Tangerine to operate independently, preserving its unique value proposition. This approach has been beneficial for both banks. Advantages of the acquisition. The acquisition of Tangerine by Scotiabank has provided several advantages to both entities. For Tangerine, it has gained access to Scotiabank's extensive resources, enabling it to expand its product offerings and improve its technology infrastructure. Scotiabank, on the other hand, has benefited from Tangerine's expertise in online banking and its strong customer base. Tangerine has helped Scotiabank to strengthen its digital capabilities and attract a younger demographic. Maintaining independence. Despite being owned by Scotiabank, Tangerine has managed to maintain its independence. It continues to operate as a separate brand, with its own management team and decision-making processes. This autonomy has allowed Tangerine to retain its unique identity and focus on serving its customers. Tangerine's customers can rest assured that their accounts and data are safe and secure. Scotiabank is a reputable financial institution with a strong commitment to customer privacy and security. The future of Tangerine. Looking ahead, the future of Tangerine Bank appears promising. As the online banking landscape continues to evolve, Tangerine is well positioned to capitalize on new opportunities. With the support of Scotiabank, Tangerine can continue to innovate and provide exceptional value to its customers. So, to answer the question, is Tangerine Bank owned by Scotiabank? Yes, it is. However, the acquisition has not compromised Tangerine's independence or its ability to deliver a superior customer experience. Tangerine's partnership with Scotiabank has provided it with the resources and support it needs to thrive in the competitive banking market. As a result, customers can continue to enjoy the benefits of Tangerine's online-only approach, competitive rates, and exceptional service. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.